In this video, I'm going to show you how to very easily install WordPress onto your hosting account. Now, in order to do this, you are going to need a domain name and a hosting account that has cPanel. So once you've done that, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to log in to your cPanel like I am right now. All right. And when you log into your cPanel, it's going to probably look something like this. Depending on the hosting company that you use, it might look a little bit different. But what I want you to do is I want you to scroll down here and I want you to find something that's called Fantastico Deluxe. Okay, it's got a little smiley face and it's going to be under the software and services. Okay, most all cPanel hosting is going to have this. If you don't see this, you're going to want to contact your hosting company and ask them where Fantastico is. But if you go with hosting through like Liquid Web or HostGator, which are two places that I recommend you go with because of their service and their price, it's going to look really similar to this. They're going to have Fantastico, and it's going to be really easy for you to install WordPress. In fact, I've already spent more time talking about it right now in this video than it will take you to actually do the installation. So, having said that, let's go ahead and click on this little Fantastico Deluxe link. And it's a smiley, I think, because it makes life so easy using or installing WordPress. So, over here on the left-hand side, and what Fantastico is, it's something that allows you to easily install different scripts onto your hosting account. And in this case, we're going to be installing WordPress. So over here on the left-hand side, okay, you can see WordPress. And it's going to be a link. And what I want you to do is just go ahead, click on that link where it says WordPress. Okay. And then from here, okay, what we're going to do is we're going to click on New Installation. And we'll just go ahead and click on that. All right, so what we're going to do, this is a fresh installation, and I want my WordPress to show up in the root so that it shows up like right when someone goes to mobile website RX, my website. But I could also put it in a directory, like if I wanted it to be in a blog directory, I could just write blog right there, and what it would do is it would put WordPress into that directory. It wouldn't be at the home page. But like I said, I do want my whole website to be run on WordPress, so I'm going to just leave that blank because I want it to show up in the root. And now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to create the admin access data, and that's going to be an administrator username, and I usually like to use my name. And then you're going to want to also have a very strong password. Okay, it's really important that you do have a strong password, and you also want to make sure that you remember it. So what I like to do is I like to just copy down my password so that I will remember it. For a site name, you're going to want to put your site name and then a description of your site. Okay. And once you're happy with that, you can add an admin nickname. Okay, that's going to just show up on your website where the nickname is used. We'll set that later on. And all you need to do is go ahead and click the Install WordPress button. And what it's going to do is on the next page here, it's going to tell you what's happening. All right, and it's going to just give you this link here to finish the installation. And you can see our installation is going to be right here in this root directory. It's already created a database for us, and all we need to do is click the Finish Installation button. And just like that, what's going to happen is Fantastico is going to go ahead and install WordPress onto your website. And you can see just that fast. It's already been done. And you can see right here, it gives us our login information. And you can see if you click that link, we're going to go right to the WP admin page. And like you can see, it was very simple and easy to do. And now WordPress is up and running on our site, and we can go ahead and log in to to the WordPress admin area on our website.